Good Tuesday. Today we're making something called cream of brown onion soup. It's a 1944 Mazola recipe that was featured in Good Housekeeping in 1944. It calls for 2 medium onions. I think these are medium. The only other ones were mutant, huge onions. We've got 3 tablespoons of flour. It calls for 2 cups of bouillon. I wanted to go with beef broth, but it said bouillon. That's what we're doing. Cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of Mazola, and it gives us a chance to use our double boiler. We haven't used our Pyrex double boiler in a while. Oh, it's so pretty. I don't know how salty the bouillon's going to make everything. We're going to do a test. Cream of brown onion soup from 1944. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. What a great day to be making soup. It's raining outside. It's a great day to be making soup.
Yes, where are you? Where are you? Center it. There you go. Is it centered? Slice up the ends.
Oh boy. Let's move this close. Oh, it's so nice and thick. Ooh. Oh, it's pretty. Supposed to make 4 servings. Servings were smaller in the 40s. Okay. What's on? What's on? Oh, I turned the broiler on. I thought the stove was still on. The original recipe, which is in the description, says to brown the onions in the top part of the double boiler over direct heat. I've tried browning onions before in a double boiler, especially one like this. It takes forever. It starts to burn. Because this is so narrow, you get a lot of liquid. Forget it. That's why I did the skillet. The original recipe says you can top it with cheese if desired. We're going to put a piece of French bread with mozzarella on top under the broiler. First we have to try it like they have it pictured. It's a very nice color. It's a very nice thickness. Beautiful silky thickness, I have to say. That's 3 tablespoons of flour, 2 cups of broth, and 1 cup of milk. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let's try it as is. cream of brown onion soup. Oh, that is really good. It did need a little salt, just a little. I felt it just needed a touch of salt, not all of the half a teaspoon that they said in the recipe. Let's try one more bite and then we'll put some bread on there with some mozzarella, huh? Butter. Some buttered French bread with mozzarella. Here we go. Wow. That is really good. Okay. Just gotta have a little bit of butter. Oh, beautiful. Just a little. I usually grate my own cheese. This Great Value mozzarella melts really well. I'm really surprised. That's why we're using the grab-a bowl, because it can go under the broiler. Beautiful. Oh. Oh man. That's gonna do. Okay, let's stick this under the broiler, huh? Here we go. Oh yeah. It's pretty hot, man. I'm using the mitt. I'm using the mitt. Let's take a piece of bread. Come on. Fucking French bread. Fucking French bread. Almost. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's so nice and thick. I really love the thickness. Here we go. Oh, it's steaming. Oh, man. Oh, I really like it with the bread. French bread is hard to break apart. Okay, come on. There you go. We're close up. Look how beautifully silky that turned out. I'm happy. 1944, cream of brown mushroom soup. The bread really makes it. Maybe you could throw in oyster crackers. Thanks for joining me this Tuesday. You know what I'm gonna say? What am I gonna say? Thanks for watching. Oh man. Oh, that is good. Gracie, that is good soup. That's good soup. You got anything to say? Okay. Oh, I'm happy. Oh yeah.